Hello teachers! My name is Jill and I am an online tutor. Okay, so we're back with another video. It's been a long time since I haven't uploaded one, but now I'm back. So our topic for today is all about your journey here in Ingo. So if you wanted to apply here in Ingo, then please keep on watching until the end of the video for you to know. Alright, so before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell notification for you to be updated on our next videos. Alright, so now let's get started. So first, Ingo tutors provide English lessons to students from Japan, Taiwan, and other parts of the world via online video services. So the lessons will be 25 minutes long with 5 minutes break time in between, and all lessons are one-on-one. So let's say, for example, you have one student who booked a consecutive class with you. Up to 3 lessons is possible. So they are treated as one class and there should be no breaks in between. So tutors are free to select slots to open for students to book. The schedule is flexible. Slots can be opened 24/7, up to 7 days in advance, including weekends and holidays. And there is no minimum number of classes that you have to conduct. So that's why I really love to work here in Ingo, because you will be the one to manage your time. And the time cannot control you. It is you who will control your time. Next is, tutors will be working with mostly Japanese students of varying ages, proficiency levels, and backgrounds. So students can select tutors and book their lessons through our website. So here in Ingo, we do not conduct classes through Zoom or any other platforms, because we conduct our classes here in our own website. The only time that we conduct classes through Skype is when there is an internet connection or a trouble in conducting lesson in our website. So the Skype platform is our second option. Next, tutors do not need to come up with their own materials for lessons, since all the materials are provided by the company and they are available on the website. You, as a tutor, if you're interested to apply, you will need a working computer, a desktop or laptop, a stable internet connection, and a working headset or earphones and webcam. So make sure that your headset has a noise cancellation feature. Next is, ESL teaching experience is not required. I'll repeat, ESL teaching experience is not required. So if you are watching this video and you are a first timer or a beginner in the ESL teaching world, you don't need to worry because you are accepted here. What is required, however, is a mastery of the English language, teaching skills, and computer literacy. And you have to be at least 18 years old to apply. So again, the minimum age for you to apply here in Ingo is 18 years old and above. So whether you are a degree holder or not, whether you have the experience or not, then you are qualified to apply here in Ingo. So if you wish to apply, you just have to fill out this application. If you're wondering where the application is, you don't need to worry because I will put it down below in the description box. After completion, you will receive a confirmation email followed by the result after the Ingo staff evaluates your submission. So you will be able to know if you pass the English video test or none. Again, there is no interview here in Ingo, but you need to pass the English oral test. If you pass, then you can go to the next level or to the next step, But if you failed, you can reapply after 6 months. So let us say you pass. Okay, so after you submitted your application, so let us just say that you passed the video screening or the video English test. So now you will receive an email and you will be invited to book a training session. So just to let you know, the session is made up of a short briefing and mock demo classes you will have with the Ingo staff. The whole meeting will last about 3 to 4 hours, so make sure you allot enough time out of your day for it. Once you book the preferred training date, an email containing all the information you need in order to prepare for the next step will be sent to your email address. So make sure to check your email from time to time. Next, you will need a working computer, laptop or desktop. Again, a stable internet connection, working headsets or earphones and webcam, a quiet place to conduct lessons, and a PayPal or Pioneer account for international applicants, or a TIN number for Filipino applicants, as well as having a valid ID handy. So tutors are not allowed to use mobile devices nor teach in public places. That is a no-no here in Ingo. So for computer, like laptop or desktop, the Ingo doesn't require any specs requirement. But I highly recommend you to have at least 4 gigabytes of physical installed memory on your laptop, just to make sure that when you do a mock demo lesson or when you do a classes here in Ingo, there will be no interruption. Okay? Next is a stable internet connection. Make sure that you are using a postpaid LAN connection. So prepaid is not accepted here in Ingo. Also, you should have a working headset. It should have a noise cancellation feature. And make sure your background is plain and your environment is quiet. Again, no barking of dogs, no vehicle sounds passing by, no chicken sounds, or any other unnecessary noise. Now, you will be asked to deliver your speed test result 60 to 30 minutes before the training starts. Applicants who pass the training and do not meet the required internet speed, at least 0.5 Mbps for both upload and download speed against a Tokyo server, will not be permitted to start classes until the internet connection is upgraded. So again, 0.5 Mbps and above is required here in Ingo for both upload and download speed against a Tokyo server. So if you have an Mbps of 0.49 and below, then I'm so sorry, but you need to upgrade your internet connection. And lastly, to prepare for training, please review the demo preparation material that will be sent to you by the recruitment team. Alright, so now I will discuss to you the things that you need to expect during your training. So the hours and duration of your training depend on the number of scheduled applicants, but it's wise to set aside at least 3 hours. Training is done online via Zoom, and applicants are expected to commit to their chosen date. So, the trainer will send you an email reminder about your training in the Zoom, via Zoom link. So you need to click on that link 30 minutes before your training starts. So let's say, for example, your training time will start at 9 a.m. So at exactly 8:30, you should be on a standby mode in the Zoom link that your trainer sent to you. Next, your trainer will walk you through the demo flow during the training session, which is approximately 45 minutes long. So this means that during the 45 minutes, your trainer will discuss to you what is the class flow or your guide flow on how you conduct the demo lesson. After the training, that's the time that you will conduct the 2 demo lessons. The first one is a demo lesson with material, and the second one is a demo lesson with free conversation or free talk. So each demo lesson will have 15 minutes each. So that means that you have 30 minutes for both demo lessons. And that is with evaluator. An evaluator is an Ingo staff member. Okay? So after your demo lesson, you will receive your final evaluation. And that is the result whether you pass or failed. Let's say, for example, you pass the demo lesson with material, but you failed the demo lesson with free conversation. So that means to say that your status would be retraining, meaning you need to book again a training session with Ingo and you need to pass again the demo lesson. However, if you failed the 2 demo lessons, then that means to say that you need to reapply after 6 months from the training date, and you will be required to pass the initial video screening again. It means that you need to go over the application from the first step of the application process. Next, upon passing, tutors should attend a short post-training briefing session and then sign the contract, register on our website or the Ingo's website, and submit their photos and video for their profile. So your trainer will send you a requirement or what are the specific criteria that you need to submit for your photos and videos. So it takes about 2 to 3 working days for the Ingo to edit and upload your photos or videos, unless a retake is necessary. So, if the Ingo editors ask for a retake of your profile photo or video, this means that your photo and your video did not meet the criteria that the Ingo required for the profile photo and video. So you will be informed via email. So your account will be activated within a few days after training, provided that the photos and videos are accepted. So you will receive your login details from Ingo via email, and you will be able to schedule your orientation session with one of the Ingo's staff members. Next, applicants who receive a negative feedback regarding their internet, audio, or video settings will be instructed to undergo a quality check with one of the Ingo's staff members, and they would need to set a short meeting with you to check your internet, audio, or video settings. Alright, so for the information of everyone, the Ingo tutors are independent contractors and are not tied to the company. So, you are free to hold other jobs elsewhere, as long as they are not with other online schools. You can terminate your tutor account with us at any time. So, the Ingo tutor support is there to help all tutors answer queries, address concerns, and etc. They are available 24/7, so we can always have someone ready to assist you. For international tutors, the Ingo will deposit your service fee through PayPal or Payoneer once a month. So payments are in US dollars. You should submit your payment account information after the Ingo activate your account. So make sure you create a PayPal or Payoneer account until then. So for tutors like me, Filipino tutors, payment is made twice a month. it is through BPI account only. But you don't need to worry if you don't have any BPI account yet, because they have the option to send your salary or payment through Loelier. So you will need to open a payroll or savings account and provide that information to our accounting team. The Ingo also recommend us to read the BIR regulation on tax compliance for more information. So for these BIR regulation on tax compliance, that will be discussed on a different video. So that's all for now, teachers. I hope that you have learned the application process here in Ingo. And by the way, for Filipino tutors, the Ingo do not hire Filipino tutors residing outside the Philippines. Ingo company only accepts Filipino who are here in the Philippines. So I hope that is clear. So by the way, the reason why the Ingo do not hire with Filipino residing outside the Philippines is because of tax related issues. Alright, thank you so much, teachers, for watching my video. I hope you have learned something. Again, I'm inviting you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell notification button for you to be updated on my next videos. See you again. Goodbye.